How to log in TARGO Bank online banking account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the process. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in www.targobank.de. You will land onto this website. Now this might be in German, but you want to go ahead and click on English. Once you have translated the page, you will see login on your top right. Click onto that. And to get logged into your account, enter your username at this box. Likewise, enter your password. If you would like the site to save your username, then click on Save My Username. Just like so, in case you have forgotten your username, then click on Forgot Your Login and get help resetting your account. Once done, go ahead and click on Login Now. Just like so, this is how you can get logged into your Targo account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to never miss an update from us.